Hi clarinets, welcome back. On today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 6, and this is an accent on performance piece called March Onward. It's a song written by the book composers. In this piece, you would expect that we would start from the beginning and play all the way to the end, but we're not going to. We're going to break this piece into sections, that way we can talk about them. And what you'll do is after we've done the video, you'll go back and play the song by yourself all through and show yourself just how much progress you've made. So this piece starts with an introduction, the first 8 measures. It's in 2/4 time and there are no sharps or flats. The rhythm is our syncopation pattern, 8th quarter 8th. Bum 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 ba, bum 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 ba. Join me and let's play the first 8 measures. I've got my metronome set at 100 beats per minute. That's a little bit slower than Allegro, but we're just beginning this piece, so it's okay to go slow at first. Ready? 1, 2, ready, play. Let's do that again. Remember your B natural. 1, 2, ready, go. Now those last 2 eighth notes actually are part of the next section, but we'll leave them where they are for now and we'll start fresh at that next section. It's number 9. And number 9 starts right at 9 and it finishes at the end of measure 24, which is the end of the first ending. So let's play there. Along the way, in measure 22, watch out for your F sharp. Measure 9. 1, 2, ready, go. There's those 2 eighth notes again. Wow, they're going to take us back to measure 9. And now, you may have already guessed, but we're going to start at measure 9, and we're going to play all the way through to the second ending. This time we'll take ending number 2, measure 25, 26, 27, and 28. Here we go, measure 9, second time. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we're up to measure 29. This part has a multiple measure rest of 4 measures. However, each of those measures only has 2 beats. So we'll count 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. We won't be counting in groups of 4 in this piece. So let's start at 29 and let's go to 37. Ready? Ready, count. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. Now at 37, we'll count 4 more measures rest, and then we'll play measure 41, 42, 43, and 44, ending on the B flat. Count those rests. 1, 2, ready, count. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. What happens next? A key change. That's right. At the end of that line and the beginning of measure 45, we notice that now through the end of the piece, we're going to play B flat instead of B natural. And that starts right at 45. Let's begin at 45 and let's stop at 53. Remember your B flats. Here's measure 45 on the note A. 1, 2, A, go. And those 2/8 notes take us into the next section. Hey, remember the dotted quarter note? Do you remember the value of a dotted quarter note? It's 1.5 beats. And that means that it's longer than a quarter note, but it's shorter than a half note. So it's in the middle of beats 1 and 2. So we'll need to make sure that we go 2 taps of our foot. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 1, depending on what time signature you're in. Let's pick it up at measure 53 with a B flat dotted quarter note. Bum, bum, bum. And we'll go to measure 61. Ready? 53. Ready? Go. Again, those last 2/8 notes take us into the next section, 61. We'll start at 61 and go to 69. 1, 2, F, 61, go. Almost there. Measure 69 to measure 77. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Our final section is 77 to the end. Remember those B flats. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 77, go. Wow. Now, I know that we broke it up into the sections, but you're probably ready to go back and put some of those sections together into longer pieces. That's your challenge. Go back and see if you can play all of this piece all together in one big chunk. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.